The sequential workflow of the lifecycle annotations for JUnit 5 is as follows in JUnit. Here you can see the sequential workflow of the lifecycle annotations for JUnit 5 is as follows. The method 1, the method annotated with at before all, is executed once at the start of the class. To the method annotated with the before each executes before test case 1 begins. 3, the method test case 1 annotated with at test is the test case in the class. The method annotated with at after each runs after the test case 1 complete execution. 5, the method annotated with before each at before each execute before the test case 2 begins. 6, the method test case 2 annotated with that test is the test case in the class. 7, the method annotated with that after each runs after the test case 2 complete execution. 8, the method annotated with at after all is executed once at the end of the class after both test case 1 and test case 2 are executed. Here the annotation interface before all in package org.junit.api in module org.junit.api. At before all is used to signal that the annotated method should be executed before all test in the current test class. Annotation interface before each. At before each is used to signal that the annotated method should be executed before each at test at repeat test at parameter state at test factory and at test template method in the current test class. The annotation interface test at test is used to signal that the annotated method is the test method. Annotation interface after each. At after each is used to signal that the annotated method should be executed after each at test, at repeat test, at parameters test, at test factory, and at test template method in the current test class. Annotation interface after all. At after all is used to signal that the annotated method should be executed after all tests in the current test class. Here the at before each before all is connected to at before each, and at before each connected to at test case 1. It is connected to at after each, and then at after is connected to at before each, and at before each is connected to at test case 2, and it is connected to at after each, and at after each is connected to at after all. Now this is the end of my presentation. Thank you very much for watching it.